What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're out here in the Rockingham under new ownership. They've been working on this thing like crazy. We just saw the first pass try to go down. Lots of smooth concrete. This is definitely going to be interesting. So it's going to be a good day of racing. 252, no prep. We're running small tire. I got a big tire. It's windy. It's cold. Lots of clouds out here. It's early. 9 o'clock now, so we're just getting here, running a little bit late. Decided that since testing got canceled yesterday, we were not going to come till this morning. So it is what it is. I gotta change the springs on the back of the car. That's all I gotta do. So check this stuff out, guys. This is gonna be a good day of racing. Comment, like, and subscribe. Go to turbojohnracing.com, grab yourself some merchandise. Hope to see you guys here. All right, guys, so we got, I think they said 800 or 900 feet of fresh new concrete. Wow, wow, wow.
What do y'all think about moving?
Check it out. I'm sorry. You're good. Man, this looks good. How are y'all doing? Got this nice chrome finish so the rubber will stick to it. You can see they've been dragging it. It's accepting a little bit of rubber. But this is going to be good no prep. Mike's out here with his car. You heard him over there whacking the throttle. We might go to the Hoosiers. This is, I mean, generally the Mickey Thompson works good when there's a rubber base. I don't know that I'm gonna consider this a rubber base. We're probably gonna swap over to the Hoosiers, put the Hoosiers back on it, and go from there. The Hoosier just seems to work better when the surface is a little rougher and not as much rubber. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Track looks phenomenal. They've done a great job with the track. Shannon's here with his truck. Looks like we're gonna have a good car count. We're gonna do testing till 1 o'clock today. All right, guys, so here we go. So we just looked at the track. It looks like we probably need to change tires. What do you think, Courtney?
Whatever you have data on.
I think we need to put the Hoosiers on it. Courtney did not bring his car out here today. He's worked on it a little bit this week. It's a little challenging. There again, he's just learning his car. So Randy's on the way. Brandon, I think, is coming as well. Mike's here. His whole crew guys are here. It looks like we're going to have a good amount of cars. So everybody's going to be fine. Testing is happening now. So we're going to change the tires, put the different back springs on it. There's Randy now. Randy's just getting here. And then we're going to make some passes. Courtney's going to take his testing next week. I think next Sunday is when they're running at Fayetteville. Hopefully there's not a lot of wind noise. The wind is blowing crazy hard. Alright, guys, well, Courtney got the lug studs screwed out. The way these are on these strange, they have a little locking ring. They're kind of a pain in the butt. So he got those out. We locked the studs down because we want them out as far as possible, of course. But we also changed the springs. We did not put the springs in that I just got. Go ahead and put the 150s on it. So we got 14 150s. And we're going to go ahead and put weight back in this car. And you can see we got the Hoosiers on it as well. going. 3, 4, one more. Almost there.
Well, that'll never happen in my lifetime again.
All right, guys, we just rolled up here for our first round. Got 13 pounds of air pressure. A lot of weight in the back, so we'll see how it goes. I don't know how it's going to work out for us. We'll see. I don't know. Track, they ended up, those couple people wrecked, a lot of people squirrely. Pictures looked like it had a pretty decent rubber base, but there's not really much of a rubber base there. So pollen's bad, so they put a little bit of glue down. Don't think nobody's going to be unhappy about that. All right, guys, so on mine got out there and it was going left a little bit. We had way too much weight in it. It's funny. That little bit of glue, it messed us all up. So we're fixing to change the spring, tuck the weight back out. So now we're going to change the springs back under the back, put the hundreds on it real quick. And then a little bit of power management because we're going to be able to go pretty fast, I think. guys, here we go. Second pass coming up for us. Hopefully this one works a little bit better. Took 230, 40, about 250 pounds out. So a little bit lighter. I'm going to try to go just a little bit faster as well. So we'll see what happens. Here we go. Pass. Pretty excited about that. Wasn't a rocket by any means. Track feels really good. It did get into a little bit of tire shake down there as we were going, but you know, that's the nature of no prep sometimes. You know, the surface is coming around and getting good. You can hear the tires are picking up rocks all over the place, so surface is getting reasonable. So we just run beside our buddy Mark with NC Speed Lab. They were not running a lot of pairs, so we needed to see how that was working because I didn't know if it was going to go straight or not. It felt like it went mostly straight. I need to go back and look at the GoPro and the outside videos. It happens so far fast in the car, you're not really paying attention to, you know, which way it's really going if you're not doing a lot of driving, which it felt like it was doing pretty good. It actually might have went back to the right now that I think about it. But overall, that's a good shakedown. So we're going to go into the first round. We'll look at the video. Randy thinks we can probably get after it a little bit harder earlier. And he said the right lane was definitely not quite as good as the left lane. So hopefully we'll be in good shape. But here we go. We're going to go to driver's meeting in just a minute. All right, guys, well, that's going to wrap it up for testing. This is the first test session on this new surface. It went awesome. We had about 4 hours. Check it out. Next video tomorrow will be the actual race. Thanks, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe.